Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm giving you a quick but powerful guide to setting up the BullX trading board for maximum results in just 2 minutes. So whether you are trading small or larger amounts, these settings will help you make the most out of every trade, minimize risk and increase efficiency. For that, you need to first of all come to your BullX account. If you haven't created your account on BullX, I will put the link down in the description so that you could use that link and create your account on BullX successfully without having any problem of early access. Now, once you are over here, you just have to simply hover over to Pump Vision if you want to trade the meme coins that are based on pump.fun. And here you need to select the coin in which you want to use these settings. For example, I want to purchase this coin. So in the right hand section we have bunch of different settings, like we have buy settings and the sell settings. So first we will start with the smaller trades, that is under 1 solana per trade. So first you need to set your priority level to 0.01 to ensure that quick action on the low value trade. Next, keep the slippage at 30%. This gives you enough flexibility without going overboard. Next, we have the option of map protection. So you need to make sure that the protection should be off since it's not needed for lower trades, and you can keep the bribe at 0. So you just have to simply use these settings if you are using a smaller amount or if you are trading with a smaller amount on BullX. Now, if you are doing medium trades, that's between 1 to 6 solana per trade, your settings stay pretty similar. Just drop your 10 in the priority level to keep the trades responsive while keeping slippage at 30%. So it should be look something like this. Now, map protection should be disabled if you are a medium trader, and the bribe stays at 0 here as well, which keeps your trading cost low. Now, for those handling the higher trades, typically 5 plus Solana or with bigger meme coins, your settings need a slight boost. So you need to drop your priority to 0.003, and you need to reduce your slippage to around 15 to 20%. So you can keep it on 20% to protect your capital. Now you need to enable the protection and add a small bribe at 0.01. So you need to set it like this to get a competitive edge on the larger trades. So these adjustments can make a big difference, especially in highly volatile markets. And that's it, your ideal BullX settings for 2024 tailored to your trading level. Thanks for watching and happy trading. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick trading tips. I will see you in the next one.